Yo, good morning. Good evening. I mean, how you doing? Just starting up the stream. Just give me 10 minutes to get ready, do some promotion. You know how we do, and then we'll go and continue with the Gherkin integration test package. Today we test the Gherkin unit test stuff that we made this morning. Nice, it works. It works. So yeah, that's really nice and really cool. But first things first, let me do some administration, promotion, marketing, sales. No, let me promote myself a little bit. Let's see. First things first. Musica. Let's see. Let the vibes. Oh, that's a little bit too loud for my liking. Then we need to put it on for you guys, and we'll do that like this. All right, let's close this. Now let's spam the world with my presence. I really can't wait until I start making really cool content, like, you know, really Flutter UI stuff, making designs and making real apps. Then it will be really cool to watch this stuff. But yeah, we first gotta do a couple things. Finish the packages, make a Flutter template project. Give me 1.5 weeks. And then we'll have it. Okay, stop talking. Let's see. This one. Wait, I need to get the YouTube. Cool. Hey. Cool. Thank you, Supun. Appreciate it. Let's see. Oh, no, not that one. Is this Latin? Doesn't sound like it. Oh, man. Remove link. Thank you. Alright, now we can do it. Post it at LinkedIn. Oh. Discard. Yes, so we'll remove this. And then we'll do it like this, and like this, and like this. Okay, then the next one will be like exactly the same. Relax. This one also the same. Not sure why it always picks the Codavito website here, but oh, what the hell? Not complaining. Let's change it at the Codavito website too. Let's create a website. Let's create a post here as well. Shameless promotion. Oops, I forgot to put some flair. I'm hoping that they're not annoyed by my spam. Then we have the Twitter message. Right, I think we're getting faster, guys. So last time it was 12 minutes. I think. Cool. backlink. Okay, sure. Then remove these, add this one, then go to Twitch, pause, share, copy, and then here. I should create some new pictures because I'm out of pictures. I've used them all. I'll create some new ones tomorrow. No. But that will have to wait. Doop, doop. Alright, let's share it, baby. Let's share it, baby. If it works. Okay. And Facebook, alright, we are ready to go. Promotion done. That took us 6 minutes. Oh, we're getting faster. Let's try and do it in 5 next time. Brian, I shared your stream. Cool. Nice. That was me, by the way. My name is Brian. Thank you, Brian. Appreciate it. Appreciate it very much. All right. Let's see. We are not working at this project. We are working on the Gherkin unit test. Let's open it up. Let's see. I think I pushed it to main, so main should be updated. Yep. Let's stay on main. Let's see. Gherkin unit test. Cool. Hey, this should be bold. Oh. Cool. Okay, we are now going to implement the exact same functionality in our Gherkin integration test package. Now this may be a little bit boring, or maybe not. Might also be interesting to see how this whole thing is set up, because we're gonna go through the entire thing. Now let's first try and hope and pray that the git will stay. See, feature replace result with box. Okay, nice. See, there has been some issues where suddenly the git just disappears. I don't know why. And then I have to do all kinds of tricks to initialize the git repo and then blah 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 blah. And then 9 out of 10 times it doesn't work. So yeah, I'm glad it works. Let's put the two projects next to each other, make this one a little bit bigger, because that's where we'll be working, and this one will make it smaller. Now, we don't need this window here on the left, and let's clean it up as well a little bit. We can clean it up even more, like this. Do you like this? Is this even clearer to you? Tell me. More space, more space. Yes, this is even nicer, right? The only thing downside is that you can't really see in which file you're working. So, yeah, you just have to keep a mental note of the amount amount of tabs that are open, and just every now and then press this shortcut that will close all the other tabs except the one that you're looking at. Okay, anyway, so the first things first. Left is Gherkin integration test, right is Gherkin unit test. Now first let's determine what we want to do. We want to implement two things. We want to implement the pause counter. Just kidding. Let's put this here, and also, by the way, let's change this working on the Gherkin integration test package. Oh yeah, and it doesn't fit anymore. Oh yeah, nice. Now, sure, this will work, right? This thing has this really convenient thing that it only goes from font size 48 till font size 36 somehow. But hey, it works. I hope you can read it. Let's put this on top of here. No, like this. Give it some space, you know. Not too close to each other. Gotta let it breathe. And yeah, okay, let's start. Shall I make a little to-do list of things we want to do? I used to have a to-do plugin inside the IntelliJ. We can make a new one. Should we just make a ticket? Yeah, ticket. Good, sprint. Oh, damn! I have to do something. I have to do something first. Yeah, I forgot I had to do something. So if you guys could excuse me for 1 second, do it like this. Yeah, someone asked me to send something. Just give me a second. Wait. Another thing. What is this music? Is this Latin music? This is not Latin music. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna close my laptop. I hope I stay online. Hello, hello, everybody still here? Please say yes. Are you still here? Yep. Great. Let's see. Focus, Brian. Focus, please. That would be nice. Sure can. Will do. So. One more second, guys. 1 more second. Somebody asked me something and I forgot to answer because my notifications for WhatsApp are always off. So yeah, I usually read messages way too late. Or way too late. I read them later. Then the sender probably wants me to read them. Right, the music, guys, come on. This is not Latin. All right, back in action. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What is this? Bedtime. What is this? Okay. So we are working on the Gherkin integration test package. Let's go to the board and yeah, let's make a ticket for it. It's a little task, yeah. And there's a couple improvements. We can look at the change log of the Gherkin in unit test package. If you look at that, then we can see exactly what we want to implement here as well. The box. Did we have the integration box here already? Wish we do, but we need to improve it. Yeah, okay. So we have the ticket here, and we have the change log here, and we can safely assume that everything in the change log. Where are you? No, oh, there you are. Everything in the change log is what we want to implement. So we'll call this has a crane. Let's say Gherkin box and mocks improvements. Box and mocks improvements, because it's about improving the box solution, which previously was the result solution, where we were passing results from one step to another, where we now have a box where we can just put values in that's accessible to, from each step in a scenario. You know what I mean? And we made some improvements to mocks as well. Let's go. Let's go to the issue, and then we have this template, story template. Yep. And then we'll add it here. Okay, so we'll go by this template. Questions. Do we have any questions? Anybody got a question? Let me see. Anybody got any questions? No. Nobody has any questions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And I'll put them here. Description, short descriptive description, improvements regarding the several improvements regarding the box and mock solution. We're not gonna do use story because it's just, takes time, and we're not really gonna look at that after we created it. Requirements. So the requirements, I'm sorry, this is not a really good example of how you should fill in a ticket, but we're not gonna do this either. The requirements, we have them here. I have them in my head. Not a very good way to go about this, but I mainly wanted to create this ticket so we have some kind of checklist that we can go about. Check off, use, do, feel, jump, run. Come on. What are you doing? So remove the requirements. For sure. Current test, UX behavior, suggested approach. Let's make this a very small ticket like this. No questions, no final remarks, and a very small description. And right, then what we can do is post this in the comments. Right, thank you. And let's make a checklist. All right, now this one will be interesting. Let's look at the first change. Replaces the result parameter now box after unit step back callback with an instance of unit box. This will allow you to save blah blah. I think that it already has that as well, but we want to improve. So this 0.0.3, the integration test package already has this as well. Let's look at it. 0.0.3. If you go to the changelog, then you can see it has it as well. So we're not going to add this, but what we are going to do is I don't remember. Right, I do remember. Improve the box solution as seen in the integration. No. All right. 2020, guys. It's a bit too strong. It's caffeine-free coffee. But I put too much powder. Okay. Let's see. Focus. Improve the box solution. Next. All setup methods inside all parameters will now have access to the mocks. Okay, so integration test doesn't have a system on the test, which is nice. So we don't have to implement all that stuff, but we do have to implement the mocks. Implement mocks feature. Okay. System on the test method. Yeah, okay. System on the test may often be defined, yeah. That's it actually. What we do want to do is update the Readme because that's out of date, and then we also want to improve the video package stuff. I think we'll do that later. Later. Okay, let's go. First thing that we are going to do is implement the mocks feature. No, improve the box solution. Let's go. Improve the box solution. Unit box. No. Integration box. And let's compare it to the unit box. You can see the unit box also has a read, it has a write, it has a delete, and it has a clear. And the way that it's used right now is that this unit box, let's see, it's being put here, and then it's being passed to these steps of a scenario. Alright, I'm getting tired. Yeah, maybe I should start. I was planning to go on a little bit longer today because I started a little bit later because I was making content, which you will see tomorrow if you follow me on Instagram. What was I saying? I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna gonna stream longer because I need some sleep. I've been sleeping 4, 5, 6 hours every night last couple of days, and it's okay, but I know it's not okay. Actually, I feel okay, but I should sleep more. Okay, anyway, stop talking, man. Start doing. So, I think what we can do is just copy everything. Yes, so then we say integration log. Alright. Yeah, nice. And then, yeah, this finally can go. And this whole catch thing can go, by the way. And this is it. I wonder if this still has a debug print as well. There was a debug print in the unit test, and since I've copied a lot back and forth, I thought this one might have it as well. Right. I wonder if this is it. I think this is it. Yeah, let's move on to the mocks then. Unit mocks. This looks a bit the same. Integration mocks.dart. And what we want to do is by the way. First make this part off, then go there if that's possible. No, it's not. Integration test. And now we're replacing all the unit logs with the proper logging of the integration test package. Let's remove. Whoa. Okay. Now, what this mocks object does, it stores mocks so that they are persistent through the whole unit scenario. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's fine. Of course, this is not a unit scenario, but an integration scenario. So if you're familiar with both of these packages, you will know, okay, anything that you see in the other package, it has the same name, but then instead of unit, integration, and instead of integration, unit. Probably. Not everything, because a unit test is more focused on the system under test, specifically testing one specific unit, and the integration test is more focused on, testing the integration between systems. And yeah, so we don't have a system under test there, which is quite a big part of the unit testing package. Anyway, where shall we start? That's the question. I think a good place to start would be let's start with the unit step. integration steps, which are the original steps. And what we want to do here is, instead of box, we also want to say integration mocks. Okay, so we changed the generic here from T to example, so it's a bit more clear, but this example is not really class, it's just a generic type, so it might as well have been G, or, well, it might as well have been G or T or E, like you commonly see. Okay, so right now with this step is this signature, so we just added a mocks. And now what we want to do is add the mocks as well, because it's missing a mocks right now, and it's putting the example in the mocks place, I think. Yeah, so mocks should be here. However, we don't have mocks yet, so we kind of know that we are going to get it from this method. So we'll say integration mocks. That's, I know that because I made that. I don't know that's correct. So okay, now let's move one. We did the most basic stuff. Like this is the most down the tree. Now we move up one step. So when you have steps, you move up, and you go to a scenario. Exactly. This is the scenario. Now, as you can see, let me think. You will want to have, no, that's the wrong start of the sentence. Let's start by looking at the unit scenario as well. So there's a unit mock coming from the test method, the mocks object. Reason for being is that you want to be able to pass the mocks object from higher up as well, because sometimes you don't always want to, at least that's what I'm thinking that people will do, you don't always want to create a scenario with a feature per se. You can create these scenarios separately as well, so you don't have to have a feature or a unit test above it. And that's why this method is important, so you can test it and just initialize it with actually no, that's not the right reason. Wait a second. Yeah, it is the right reason. No, wait a second, I'm realizing something. See, the reason for the unit test, it is the right reason, because there are setup. No, it's the right reason for the integration test as well. I hope you can follow me. I don't think you can, but I can barely follow what I'm saying myself. Yeah, this is fine. So you want to pass in the mocks because the mocks object is also being used by the setup methods. And for a second I was thinking, oh, you don't have to do this, because I thought that the mocks being passed from the scenario, the only reason for that was because it was being used by the initialization of the system under test. And since we don't have the system under test in the integration testing package, I thought, hey, maybe we don't have to do this mocks passing around here either. but we do because we want to pass the mocks to the setup methods as well, in case we want to access them in the setup methods. Okay, enough with the talking. Let's get down with the business. Really strange Latin tonight. Let's change it up a little bit. I'm getting old. Sleepless, okay. Suits me. Okay, let's focus a little bit. I'll try to stay on point, stay on track, stay on focus, stay on test. Mocks, yes, right, you need the mocks. Let's create the mocks here like we create them here. So final mocks is mocks. You want to do it in this description here. Final mocks, unit mocks. It's not unit mocks, it's integration mocks. My mocks. And then the mocks can then go in the box. The mocks and the mocks. Alright. Alright. And then we can change this as well. I think we can fully copy this to here because it's all the same. Instead, of course, this and the system on the test is not there. So let's search for a pattern. We can see here the pattern is system on the test that we want to remove. Press Ctrl J 4 times. And then we can efficiently remove what we want to remove. Now the setup methods don't have the mocks argument yet, so let's update that as well. We have a test group function, and I think that this is what we want. Integration mocks. Well, you want to call it mocks so that it is called mocks when you use it and you use IntelliSense to complete your code. Okay. Now what I want to know, yeah, here you are. This one, set up and tear down. There you are. Alright. This was wrong. I need to do it here. Now all that we have to do is create the option to edit through the method integration mocks. This is going to be nullable because it's not always going to be there. Sorry. Le tired. Just double checking if we missed something. See here you have the SUT system on the test, which we don't really need here. I think we need to do this. Yeah, small improvement. noticing a little mistake. Yeah, okay. Damn. Let's fix this right away. Add generic argument to test group function inside sure, we're gonna push to main, so it saves us some work. It's a pretty low package, or I mean, barely anyone is using it, if at all. And yeah, this is a safe call. I've decided that. What do we want to do? Flutter format? Yep. Ah, wait. My bad. Forget that sometimes. So +1, update the version number. And then what we also want to do is update the changelog. This is nothing special, so we just do a sum up, a list, however you want to call it, a little dot instead of something with an icon and a keyword. And we'll say, okay, updated the unit scenario with test group function with the proper SUT generic. Okay, now let's add this to amend it, commit, force push, Flutter pop-up, publish. We just got this out of the way, and hopefully there's nothing else that we need to change, because then we have to do the whole thing again. Okay, now let's go back. Let's see if it worked. Yeah. Integration scenario, no. Okay. So here we don't have to do this because the generic that we just defined is the SUT, and we don't have an SUT here, so we can disregard that. Yeah, okay. Did it. Let's go up one higher. This is the feature, and this is the feature. Yeah. So same thing. We have a feature. We want to create the mocks here. And then we can copy the setup and teardown methods again. Ah, wait a minute. Skip the break. Sorry, eyes. Let's go not to the feature integration scenario where we just were. We can just copy these. because they're basically the same, just for a higher level. Oh, here. Okay, and then we'll add the mocks, right? That's it. Then we go on up higher again. Is there anything else that we forgot? No, I don't think so. Let's go on higher again. And then we have the test. Oh, the test. Okay, I am getting a little tired. Happy song. Let's go. So we're doing the same trick again, right? Replacing all the methods here and providing mocks to it. And then here we are creating the mocks. Actually, so I was guessing, or thinking, is this, do we want this? Like, do you want to be able to pass in the mocks from the test method of the highest class? Because there's probably not really a use case for that. Yeah, you could want to create mocks and then use them in every test, the same mocks box. Yeah, maybe someone wants to do that. I don't know. Let's leave the option there. It's not a big deal. To leave it there or to remove it. Okay, let's go. I think that's it. Now these are giving us errors because we just added a mocks value like that. And now it works. So what I always say is, like, if you have some errors that are occurring in the project and they're happening everywhere, try to look for a pattern. And if you find a pattern, see if you can change that pattern. And then hopefully fix the error everywhere. And we can do that by, and in this case, we can do that by selecting this, because this is the pattern. So you know that for each of these errors, very highly, most likely, it's because the mocks is missing. So if we know that, then wait a second. Example finding, yeah. Then we know, okay, we can search for this, copy, paste, and then just say mocks. And then we can go through it. We don't have to update the readmes because we'll do that later. can be pretty sure that every error here, error. We can be pretty sure that every error here, I can't pronounce error. No, that every error needs mocks. The mocks argument. So if I do this 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then if I do this a couple times, yep. Everything is fixed. I think that's it. The only thing is we're not really showcasing the usage of mocks here in these examples. Do we want to do that? We haven't done that for the unit testing packages either. Neither. I don't know. Yeah, we also cannot really. Yeah, maybe we can. I have this stop method somewhere, right? Stop. Was that in the unit testing? No. Oh, never mind. I need to go to the toilet. Okay. And I need to take a break. So I'll take a break for 5 minutes, rest my eyes a little bit. And go to the toilet, and then I'll see you back in 5 minutes. Bye. Your windows. We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction. Keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. Alright, guys, girls, let's go. 5 minutes have passed. Impatient. So, now my mind is a little bit more clear because I don't feel like going to the toilet anymore. So I was contemplating whether to showcase the mocking functionality. I'm not, because we're not using mocks here. We have this, I think, wait, one more thing. We can check mock. No, we don't use mocks. Yeah, never mind. Right. Let's go to the ticket. We implemented this. We did this. Now all we have to do is update Readme. Shall we do that? And then we're finished actually. And then tomorrow morning we can start with the real package. Hey. We can start with the example project for the informers package. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let me see. The Readme. How to go about this? Let's first change the changelog. Okay. What did we do again? For here. Yeah, okay. Okay, and also copy this. It's kind of the same, you know. Okay. Added the option to add a system on the TIS. No, that's not true. Edit the, let's first fix this here. Edit the integration mocks object that gets passed around from initializing. Facilitate better mocks integration. Alright. Yeah, we could do the same for the changelog here, but we're not gonna push that, so we're not gonna make it. Yeah, okay. We can add it, but we're not gonna make a build out of it. Added the option to add a system and verify. Yeah, sure. Facilitate. That's a weird sentence, but yeah, whatever. Whatever. Okay. edit that. What else do we want to do? Do you want to do anything? We want to update the buff spec, of course. What else? What else do we want to do? We want to press the letter A? Okay, yeah. I think that's it. Now all we want to do is update Readme. Yo. Let's go. Nobody listens to techno. Let's go. Just kidding. I listen to techno sometimes. Okay, this is fun. First. Give me a second. Give me a second. This picture. Copy link address. Doesn't work. Strange. Well, okay. Damn it. Will this work? I don't know. Okay. We'll have to fix that later. Or shall we do like this? Okay. See, now it doesn't work. Well, actually, I think this will work. This will work. No, this will work. Quite slow, don't you think? It's easy to maintain, but it's slow. Not inspect, please. Nice. They read me. Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? You know, why not? Let me do it. Just let me do it. It's not. It's not a lot of work, you know. Hey, errors. What's going on? Errors? Where? I don't see any errors. 7 errors. Ah, it's inside the Readme. It is confused. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Nice. So now the pub dev should have the picture again, because that was broken. Yes, nice. Ah, this looks ugly. Gherkin unit test. Why did I do that? Also, did I close the project? Apparently. Don't judge me. Still a little bit of perfectionist. Okay, can we close this now? Yeah, we can. Okay. Okay, now the fun part. So this picture was generated by OpenAI. Dolly. Let's go there. Now we need a new picture, a picture for our package. And did we finish another package? No. So we need a new picture. Also a gherkin monster superhero with wings and a computer flying through space, because I love space, you know. Is this okay? Fantasy style. Let's see. This will be our new cover. Pretty cool. Whoa. Cool. Nice. Really cool. What? Oops. Wow. This one is a bit mad. But this one is really cool too. Gherkin with wings. Why are they all so mad? I think this one is the best. Ah, they are mad because it's a monster, of course. If we remove the monster, what would it look like? Well, I only have 5 credits left. Maybe I should buy more. 29th of September. Oh, I can do this. Yeah. Shall we do it without the monster? See what happens? Okay, first let's download this one. Download. Let's go to Vito, art, images, Dolly, Gherkin integration test. Well, they are all pretty cool, to be honest. Let's download them. Let's finish the readme and then go to bed. But first, let's generate a superhero. Not a monster, but a superhero. This one. This one is cool. And then we had the first one, right? And then I also think this is a little bit cool. Okay. Now let's use this as our picture. And of course, also let's decide which one we want to use. Dolly. Integration test. Now that I think this one's pretty cool too. Or this one. I think this is the coolest. With, of course, an apple. Yep. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Crazy. Great. Okay, nice. Let's write some new readmes. Let's grab the ticket. So the only thing that I know is different is that we have this one that we don't have there. So this one. And what else is different? Yeah, we have, of course, this signature is different. The signature. This is the same. Yep. That's it. I think that's the only thing that's different. And then of course all the references to units and integrations. But if we compare this one to the unit test one, then I'm pretty sure we can just do this. Go to the readme. And then here's a, for the unit test, we did the integration, my man. These, what do we want do is remove this. Wait a second. I don't know how it looks. Don't remember. Right. The integration step callback is also different. So I just use this. So the signature, we change that. Right, so we want to do this, add this back to the end. Instead of the success message. Huh? What was the heart doing there? Damn it. Is this still correct? Let's see. Yeah. And anything else? Yes, I put it in the ticket. Signature. Right, this one. Check. Okay, let's see if this works. Damn it. Oh, wait, I know something. solution. Little silent because I'm tired. And this is boring. Copy pasting. But we have to do it because, you know, we want good documentation, you know. You know what I mean? Or you don't know what I mean, or you know what I mean? Okay. Okay, in the feature list, we can now define our first integration feature. We give it a name, and for now an empty list of scenarios. Sounds good to me. To demonstrate the usage of mocks, to demonstrate the usage of the unit mock, let's not do this. Maybe do that later when it has been introduced. Like, alright, this is fine. Okay, thank you. Bye. Now it's time to think about what scenarios might occur in your test. For this example, we will use a successful save, blah blah blah. So let's paste this here. And remove this again. System on the test, remove it. Yeah, this is fine. This can go. And this. Yep. Now comes the good part. For each scenario, we may define stat with access here. Let's access, yes sir. Integration. Callback. Step callback. You can just paste this, right? Third. Come on. Show me those colors, please. No? Okay. Do you have colors here? No. Am I mumbling again? Yes. Okay. Thank you. System on the test. Oop, we don't have that here. Ah, the widget tester. Damn. Let's see if it's still there. The old Readme. Widget tester. Hey G, thanks for the follow. Cool. Widget tester class that programmatically interacts with widgets. Okay, should we do this as well? And I think we can also give these some funky red colors. Do that here as well. Here. This, and then this, and then this. And then this. now comes the good part. Okay, are we done? Yep. So let's see if we cover every argument here. This one. The mocks. We don't have the mocks here. Why not? It's here. We do have the mocks. Right, it's placed differently here. We just don't have this one. I get it. I get what I did wrong. Using the box may look a bit like this. That's for the unit box. This box is basically a map, blah 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 blah. Using box, yeah. Okay, let's clean this up again. Remove me. See what it looks like. Shit. Yeah, that's the same. I could just copy this, by the way. Actually, it doesn't look the same. My bad. See, the signature is different. We have this one here and this one there, because this one has a system on the test and this one doesn't. It's getting late, man. I need to go to bed. Okay, let's put this here. We can remove this one. Ooh, energy burst. Integration mocks. Also a box. Also a box that exists and persists throughout your entire integration test, integration feature, integration scenario. You may optionally use this box to store mocks that your system on that your this is not true. You may optionally use this box to store mocks that you need, so you may retrieve them later to stop methods to your liking. Yeah. You may optionally use this box to store mocks that you need, so you may later retrieve them to stop methods to your liking. Okay. Integration example. Why is this looking good? All the other ones are looking like shit. This one looking good. Why is that? Is that it? Did you see that? Did you see the pattern? This one was in plain text, and if it's in plain text, it doesn't do anything with any weird formatting when you copy it. Cool. It's good to know for next time. Anyway, this integration scenario will now run 3 times. once for each integration example. You may access the example in the following way. Yep. This is different again, I guess. This was cursive. We don't want it cursive because it doesn't look good in other places. Yeah. Hey, this is also weird. See these things? They should parse to the red letters, but they're not doing that. We can search for these. Yep. Move it. Yep. Another one. And another one. And another one. Oh man. Make it stop, make it stop. Getting ahead of ourselves. We should have done this later, but okay. Let's go back up again. Okay, sure. Steps implementation. Combining all that information will allow us to finalize and set up the success scenario like this. Okay. It doesn't work. Why not? Let's just copy this and then change it to however we think that would look like for an integration test. Right? Remove this and then make this. I think that's it. And then we we can go here. All integration tests regarding dummies, saving up dummies, blah 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 blah. Come down to the last finalize. Gee. Okay, let's add a little call out here. And say okay. We have added the usage of mocks in this example to demonstrate the unit, the integration. Mocks feature. We've also added the usage of mocks in this example to demonstrate the integration feature now has a setup once method that creates the mock and puts it into the box, into the mocks object. We then later retrieve this mock in the given step to stop it for hypothetical reaction. Okay, we have also added the usage of mocks in this example to demonstrate the integration mocks feature. The integration feature now has a setup once method that creates. Every time I want to say creates, I write created, and every time I want to say created, I write creates. And it doesn't go, it's not only for the word create, it goes with everything that has a D and an S. Weird, right? Yeah, no, it's weird. That creates the mock and puts it into the mocks object. Yes, we then later retrieve this mock in the given step to stop it for a hypothetical reaction. Bonus integration steps, because not everybody wants to write tests. Because not everybody wants to write tests the same way, we also created these combined steps to allow for creating the same kind of integration test but with less. My eyes are hurting. I'm just playing around with the floaters. I really gotta go. Because not everybody wants to write tests. Yeah, okay, I already read that. Given when then, for when you can't be bothered, blah blah blah. Okay. Almost there. Yeah. Oh, hi. Huh? Almost there. Search for pattern. This is the pattern. Remove this. Now to run these tests, all you have to do is add the parentheses. Okay. Okay. Nice. This didn't change. Yeah, we're done, guys and girls. We're done. Nice. Are we gonna reread it again? Nope. Trust that I have made no mistakes. And if we have made mistakes, then we will find that out when the time is ripe. When it's time to find out, we'll find out. For now, I think we are complete. Nice. Okay. Now all we have to do is hope that my website is updated. So see, it takes a little while before when I update it in Notion, then that it's yes, it's updated. It takes a little while for it to load. Wow, that did take a very long time. Cool. Really cool. Okay, well, I think we can safely say that this is working. Shall we run the tests of the example project just to be sure, or debug that everything is working? We might have to start a simulator for this. And then I'm really going to bed. I'm happy though. We finished what I wanted to finish. Oh yeah. And then tomorrow morning we can start with the example project again. Oops, sorry. My bad. My bad. I am a little bit laggy. Why is that? Well, probably because I'm running the tests and my computer doesn't like it. Gherkin integration testing in action. I made it. Nice. Yeah, everything. Okay. Alright. Hey, guys and girls, thank you for watching. Whoever was watching, thank you for watching. And I promise it's gonna be more entertaining in 1.5 weeks, 2 weeks. But yeah, we first just gotta do this. We gotta make sure that the foundation is right. And it might be a little bit boring, but once this is done, we have the right tools to really start making cool stuff. So thank you for your patience, and hopefully see you tomorrow morning, where we'll tackle the example project of the informers package. Also, oh, by the way, shall we add this? Feature replace result with box, and delete the main, create a branch called main. You should normally not really do this, but 0.0.4, add mux functionality, then do the change log. Here, okay, we might want to do a format. Yep, and then see if it doesn't have any errors. Yeah, okay. Oh. Yeah. Publish you. Okay, we did it. Published it. Pub dev Gherkin unit test. Pew. Sorry, Gherkin. No. Hey, did I close this? Damn. My quality must have been not so good. Whatever. Whatever. Hey. Cool. Nice, really nice. I can make some really cool content with OpenAI stuff as well. I just realized. Let's put this into ideas. create carousels with text and then images from OpenAI. Dolly. Cool idea. So making carousels will then take a lot less time, but still be very interesting to see, you know. Fat. Okay. What else? Do we have anything else to do to say? Yeah. One last thing. Veto package. So I made a change this morning, I think. Yeah. Dispose view model. Dispose view model. See, I just want to get this done as well, actually, because tomorrow morning I just want to start with the example project of the informers package and not worry about this. See, this is working. However, do we need to test this? Is the question. Here with example project, we have. So doing this, right? So we don't forget it. And now we can safely release this. We also need to update the Readme. Probably. No, we're not gonna do that. Readme example project tests. Okay. Which version is this? Should this be a new version? Not really, I think. There's nothing breaking. So what we can do is say edit that should say enough, right? You should know that dispose view model boolean will tell whether it will dispose or not, whether it will initialize, and whether it will rebuild. We could break this, bring this as something new. Yes. Okay, pub spec then. Yeah. Okay. I didn't know it was a separate branch, but that's fine. Let's make a pull request then. Is this one still open? Ah. Damn. I had no idea. Let's see. No. What's wrong? What's going on? Back to list, yeah. Merged. Okay, whatever. Let's create a new one then. Can I accept it here? exactly. Ah, here you can see this one is merged and this one isn't. Okay, interesting. I must say I do like branches conflict. Okay, I must say I like the Bitbucket plugin a lot better. Yeah, okay, just give me a sec. It's Gherkin Unit. No, it's Veto. I don't like this plugin at all. I'm sorry. 12 commits. Okay. Anyway, close pull request. No, I want to merge it, bastard. How can I go to the site? I saw that somewhere. Back to list. Refresh. Okay. Now we can. It doesn't have any conflicts. Oh man. Okay, officially I'm not gonna use this anymore. Maybe to just create pull requests. But that's it. I'm not gonna use it for anything else. Just so you know. I maybe look at pull requests, but that's it. I'm definitely not gonna enjoy it. Told you. Alright, let's go to main. Let's keep, main, update. Nice, okay. Let's look at the changelog. Did we really get the last update from the main? Yep. No, we can publish this. One last format check. Yep. And hungry, by the way. I need to eat. I'm gonna eat a little bit before I go to bed. Okay, guys and girls, thanks again. You know what to do. See you tomorrow morning, where we will tackle the Veto package, example package. And then, when that one is done, then we only have three left. The Loglytics to finish it, which yeah, might become interesting because I want to start using annotations with that one. And code generation. I haven't done that before, so that will be interesting. And the Cloud Firestore API, yeah, that one is also very interesting. Like, how would I test that? I think a lot of mocking. Alright. Anyway, I gotta go. I gotta eat something and then I go to bed.